Hello. Sometimes we almost have what we need to do a U-substitution, but it's not quite there. So we're going to be learning how to adjust if we get that situation. So here's our problem. As you can see, we almost have the derivative of x cubed minus 2, but not quite. So the x2 is the important part because we can't really mess with variables too much, but constants we can adjust. So what we need to have is the variable part of the derivative, and we've got it there. So that's great. So we need a 3x squared, and we have a 5x squared. And that's what we're going to need to fix. And we do that by multiplying by the number 1. Because that doesn't change our problem. The 5 is just kind of in the way, and we can put that out in front of the integral sign and multiply it back later, because whenever we multiply by a constant, they can work that way. So the 5's going out in front, and then we're multiplying by 1/3 times 3. That gives us 1, so it's very legal to do. And that way we get our 3x squared. Now we have our 3x squared instead of the 5x squared. And we're ready to do a U-substitution. So we are going to let U equal x cubed minus 2. And then when we take the derivative of U, we get 3x squared. And we put that dx on the other side. So we have 3x squared times dx. All right, so now we're going to rewrite the original equation and mark down everything, how it relates to the u's instead of the x's. And I just rearranged things so the du would all be together. So that's a u to the 1/2 power, and the rest of that is du. So we're going to be integrating u to the 1/2 du, and we're using the power rule on that. So it's just going to be u to the 1/2 plus 1 power divided by 1/2 plus 1. And we get to do our double-decker fractions again. I'm not going to go into that in detail like I did before. You can do that one on your own. Or review the previous video where we did that. Right, now we have 10/9. We're going to substitute back our x's. Our problem was in x's, so our answer has to be in x's. And that's our answer. Thank you.